me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. I don't know what it is, but I got that feeling. Waking up in this bed next to you, swear the room.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, I'm Nicole Patrick, and thank you so much for coming. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below this video, and thank you so much. So before I continue with this video, I just want to quickly talk about this hair I'm wearing right now. So I got this hair on AliExpress. I got it for $200, and this hair is 100% human hair. So for a very long time now, I've been wanting to have red hair, so I decided to buy this hair on AliExpress, and I really love it. So this hair is 4 bundles plus closure. So the closure is free. It's like free parts. You can part it how you want. So I really love it, and the hair is just very full, and it's not heavy. It's just light and very full. I really love it. When I got the hair on AliExpress, I thought it wasn't going to arrive very fast, but I was so surprised. The hair came very fast. I was super happy about it, and yeah, that is all about this hair. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this makeup on my face, and if you want to know, please keep on watching. After watching this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and comment, like and share. Thank you guys so much. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I'm going to use Makeup Forever primer. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow right now. I'm going to be using these two JUVIA'S palette. This is the Magic palette, and this is the ZULU palette. So the reason I'm using these two palettes for my eyeshadow is because the colors I want are in these palettes right here. So I'm going to go ahead right now and start doing my eyeshadow.
To be young and in love in New York City, to not know who I am but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City, midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. got that feeling. Waking up in this bed next to you, swear the room, yeah, got no ceiling. If we lay, let the day just pass us by. I might get to too much talking, I might have to tell you something. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time.
Then I'm going to go ahead and use this MAC eyeliner to line my eyes.
Stay for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I like me better when I'm with you.
So now for my foundation, I'm going to use MAC Matchmaster foundation.
Stay with me. Stay a while, oh. Stay a while, stay with me. Right here with me. I like me better when I'm with you. To be young and in love in New York City. To not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. From the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I like me better when I'm with that feeling. Waking up in this bed next to you, to be young and in love in New York City. To not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. I like me better when I'm with you.
Now to glow my face, I'm going to use MAC Extra Dimension Skinfinish. So guys, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.